In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a resume in Sejda PDF Editor. Now you can do this on the website over here by going to All Tools and clicking Edit, or you could do this on the desktop version as well. Over here, it's pretty much the same thing. Now whenever you click on Edit, you want to basically upload your PDF, which is the resume. So I'm going to click on here, and I do have a sample resume here, which I just got. I'm going to click on Open, and this is going to be likely your resume. As you can see, it's going to look like this. Of course, you can go ahead and make it a bit smaller if you want to or not by this minus key like that. There we go. And then when you do that, you have to basically click on the text tab top left, and this will allow you to completely edit your resume. So you can go and hover over any text like this. For example, over here, I can just change this text and type in YouTuber instead. For example, YouTuber like this. There we go. Okay, I could go and put in my address, my email over here as well. I can go and change different things. I can change like different categories over here, like for example skills. I could replace this with something else. For example, if there was like previous like expertise, like stuff like that. Of course, completely up to you. The main point here is that you actually go to the edit text tool up here. You just click within any text you want like that, and then you can go ahead and basically change it. You can edit it, you can edit fonts, stuff like that, and that way you can edit your resume. And whenever you're done, click on apply changes here at the bottom, and you'll be able to basically download your new edited customized resume from Sejda over here in just a few seconds. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.